My name is Zahra Mailar.
So, fuel oil is one of the commodity of oil and gas natural resource derived and are processed from petroleum. Petroleum is the result of natural process in the form of hydrocarbons which under pressures and temperature condition are liquid or solid phase. As is known, oil and gas have an important role in the national economy. Therefore, the management of oil and gas must be able to maximize the prosperity and welfare of the commodity. The government considers that oil and gas business activity play an important role in providing real added value to national economic growth. Besides having a positive impact on the country, fuel oil also has a negative impact. One of them produces TAL, tetraethylate, containing heavy metal lead that burns and will come out with motor vehicle smoke through the exhaust. This causes air pollution. Symptoms that results include active growth of several enzymes in the body, children's weight loss, inhibition of nervous system development, loss of appetite, fatigue, and respiratory tract irritation. The base of sulfur in petroleum produce sulfur dioxide (SO2). Sulfur dioxide gas or SO2 is an oxide oxide that can make the green substance of leaves, chlorophyll, the disrupting the photosynthesis process. When SO2 mix with rainwater, it causes acid rain together with NOx. NOx is itself can grow toxic substance in the body of living things. Besides that, it can increase acidity of oil and water if it reacted with SO2.
So the second is the goals. The first is self-energy transition progress report 2022 shares the progress we are making with our energy transition strategy. Second is it shows how we are delivering against our climate targets. This include our target to reduce absolute emissions from our operations and the energy we used to run them by 50% by 2030, compared with 2016 on a net basis. By the end of 2022, we had made a reduction of 30%. The third is achieving net zero emissions, and the last is power progress together by providing more and cleaner energy solutions. Next, the plans. The plans first is investment decision we have taken to produce more low carbon fuels, solar and wind power and hydrogen balanced with the need to provide secure, affordable energy to help meet global demand. Second is to achieve this, urgent action is needed to reduce emissions across power, transport, building, and hard-to-abate industries, such as steel and concrete, around 140 countries and more than 2,000 companies and organizations have made commitments to get to net zero emission by 2050. HAL seeks to play its part purposefully and profitably In the energy transition, while helping to maintain energy security, we are building a resilient business by putting customers at the center of our strategy and innovating the products and solutions they need. Our integrated assets and supply chains are designed to deliver value for our shareholders and customers. We aim to manage risk of for sale and our customers as we produce, buy, trade, transport, and sell energy products and solutions worldwide. We need to work with our customers to identify available, affordable, and low and zero carbon energy solutions that meet their change needs and to help decarbonize the energy system.
I'll explain for implementation from the Shell company. First, respecting nature. They are also focused on using water and other resources more efficiently and reusing as much of them as they can. They are reducing waste from their operation and increasing the recycling of plastics. They work with city council to open a plant that treat municipal wastewater that would otherwise be discharged to a local river. Their groundbird sites recycle around 98% of water used for their operation. Across Shell, they are helping to improve air quality by reducing emission from their operation and providing clean waste to power, transport, and industry. Second, achieving net zero emission. Shell also transforming their business and selling more low carbon products and service, such as electricity generated by solar and wind power, hydrogen, biofuels, and charging for electric vehicle, or also known as EVs. We are all helping sector to decarbonize by working collaboratively with customers, business, and government. Third, powering lives. Shell is dedicated to making a positive impact on the lives of people around the world. They work to improve people's life through their product and activities, and by contribute to local community and championing inclusion. In addition, they buy and sell goods and service and generate revenue for governments through the tax and royalty they pay and the sales tax they collect on their behalf. And the last is generating shareholder value. Shell aim to generate value for shareholders by providing sustainable distribution through their progressive dividend policy and share buyback program. Next is project strategy. Powering Progress is Shell's strategy to generate value for shareholders and become a net zero emission business by 2050. It is designed to help customers decarbonize and bring benefits for wider society. While respecting nature, their strategy is underpinned by their focus on safety and their core of value of honesty, integrity, and respect for people. Their environmental ambitions include protecting and enhancing biodiversity, and they are committed to recycling plastic waste in their chemical facility.
So next, relation to structure. First, always prioritize customers that satisfaction. Second, always prioritize maintaining air health by changing to zero carbon emissions. And the third, always maintains the satisfaction of shareholders by maintaining their sales. Next. this is our recommendation. This is a suggestion from us. We should accelerate the reduction of zero emission and quickly change the fuel to be environmentally friendly. And if it is possible for Shell to provide more place to fill electric cars so that they are environmentally friendly because electric cars do not emit too much pollution. And if possible, not to give space to LGBT because it doesn't make much sense, especially to donate their income. So that's
Okay,
all.
so that's all from us. Thank you for attention and thanks for watching. See you.